Children, let us do an activity. Here few elements are shown. Lithium has number of electrons 3. So electronic configuration of lithium 2, 1. 2 electrons are present in K shell and L shell has only 1 electron. So which one is the outermost shell for lithium? L shell. And L shell is the valence shell and it contains only 1 electron. So valency of lithium is 1. Carbon has 6 electrons. So what will be the electronic configuration of carbon atom? 2, 4. K shell has 2 electrons and L shell has 4 electrons. So how many valence electrons are there? 4 electrons are there. And what is the valency of carbon? 4. Magnesium has 12 electrons and that are distributed this way. K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 2 electrons. So number of valence electrons are 2 and that is the valency of magnesium. 2. Valency of magnesium is 2 as the number of valence electrons are 2. Oxygen has 8 electrons and that are distributed this way. 2 electrons are present in K shell and remaining 6 electrons are there in L shell. So number of valence electrons are 6. Have you understood? Let me ask you few questions. What is meant by atomic number? Atomic number means number of protons. Is it right? So can you tell me atomic number of carbon? Atomic number of carbon is 6. Number of electrons are 6. Natural number of protons are 6. And number of protons gives atomic number. So atomic number of carbon is 6. Clear? So there is a relationship between valency and electronic configuration. Valency of lithium is 1 as it contains only 1 valence electron. Then carbon has 4 valence electrons, so valency of carbon is 4. Magnesium has 2 valence electrons, so valency of magnesium is 2. Oxygen has 6 valence electron, and why the valency of oxygen is 2? Number of valence electrons are 6, but this number 6 is greater than 4, and therefore as per the rule we have to subtract these 6 valence electrons from the digit 8, and therefore 8 minus 6 is 2, and therefore valency of oxygen is 2. We have discussed in previous video that if the number of valence electrons are less than 4 or equal to 4, then that number will decide the valency of that element. But if the number of valence electrons are greater than 4, then that number has to be subtracted from the digit 8, and same is the case in for oxygen atom. Here number of valence electrons are greater than 4, and therefore we have subtracted 6 electrons from digit 8. 8 minus 6 is 2, and therefore valency of oxygen is 2. Hydrogen has atomic number 1. Z indicates atomic number. Electronic configuration of hydrogen atom is 1, and number of electron present in the outermost shell is 1, and therefore valency of hydrogen is 1. Carbon we discussed just now. Carbon has valence electrons 4, and that is the valency of carbon. 4 is the valency of carbon. Sodium has electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. Last shell has 1 electron and that is the valence electron, and therefore valency of sodium is 1. Chlorine has Atomic number 17, electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. There are 7 valence electrons. And now see here, 7 number is greater than 4, and therefore we have to subtract the digit 7 from the digit 8. 8 minus 7 is 1, and therefore chlorine shows valency 1. Nitrogen has atomic number 7. So electronic configuration is 2, 5. 2 electrons are there in K shell and 5 electrons are present in L shell. So 5 indicates valence electrons. And now 5 is greater than 4, and therefore we are subtracting digit 5 from digit 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, and therefore valency of nitrogen is 3. Clear to you all? So we have discussed here 2 activities. Draw these 2 tables in your science practical copy.